Hello, lovelies! Welcome to another episode of Wedding Wednesday Q&A, where we answer your wedding questions. Today's question is from Stephanie, and she asks, do you notice a difference in pictures when having real bouquets but fake centerpieces? Thank you, Stephanie, for this great question. There can be a difference, especially if you are using the same flower variety. You might want to consider selecting a different flower variety for your bouquet, if possible, so there won't be a direct comparison. Also, your bouquet pictures won't necessarily be side by side with the centerpieces for the most part, so you can certainly get away with this. Fresh flowers can get really pricey. You can certainly do fake centerpieces instead. This depends on whether you are doing them yourself, because fake flowers can also add up and almost come out to be 10 to 20% less in cost than fresh flowers. That's not a lot of savings for something fake versus real. Here are a few suggestions when you are looking for fake or silk flowers. First is to use only muted colors, like light pink or white, when purchasing fake flowers. Second, try limiting the number of varieties of your flowers. For example, only sticking to peonies or roses. Third is to remove all greeneries. They are the telltale sign that something is fake. Remove them from the stem and keep the bloom only. Lastly, use colored vases instead of clear to hide the fake stems, ensuring the focus is only on the blooms. You might even want to consider doing it vice versa, wherein your bouquets are fake and your centerpieces can be real. Remember, the guests can see the centerpieces closely, and your bouquet you will most likely only hang on to for the ceremony. Fake flower varieties you can use for your bouquet are calla lilies and peonies, as they won't look as cheap and fake. Purchase high-end quality ones that you can also take home to use as home decoration after. We've linked an article in the description below with our suggestions. For centerpieces, if you're considering fresh flowers, you can group 3 to 4 bud vases and put an individual or one stem only of fresh and refluxed roses in them for your centerpieces, and add some candles. This will help bring the cost down dramatically. We have linked in the description below articles and videos for easy and affordable DIY wedding centerpiece ideas, step-by-step guide to create a greenery centerpiece, and step-by-step guide in creating your fake flower arrangement. These guides will help you pull off your real bouquets and fake centerpieces, or vice versa, wedding idea. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, we are here to support and inspire you to celebrate life and love. Download your free wedding planning kit in the description below. Like and subscribe for more wedding tips. Until next time, lovelies. Bye!